guys, welcome back to my channel. So I promised that I would vlog since I'm in Jamaica, but I've been super busy. So this is kind of like basically my first or my second video. So right now I have a lot of stuff to get done today. I'm in Mandeville. And the first thing I think I'm going to be doing is I'm heading to the nail shop, and then I'm going to go to the bank, and then I have to go to the tile shop. I'm sorry if I sound a little bit muffled or hoarse, but I think it's a change of weather or something. So yeah, I'm in the town right now, and still parked in the car. I'm waiting on the nail girl to come because I don't think she's here yet. They said she opens at 10, but it's now like 10:15, 10:20, and she's not here yet. So I'm traveling with my son and my brother.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah. We haven't been doing much. So today we're supposed to be going to Ocherias as well.
No,
So hopefully that goes as planned, because I was supposed to leave from yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to. So yeah, I'll be checking back in with you guys. So talk to you all later. Bye.
I'm a stalker.
I need 20 strips. I want to show you. Yes. Hello? Yes. I got it. I mean, I drive today as well. Okay, don't worry. No. Okay, so I'm just leaving the tile shop now, and I'm gonna head back to the nail shop. I'm not sure if the nail technician is there yet, because I went there earlier but she wasn't there. So I'm just gonna take these tiles home, and then get something to eat, and then I'm gonna head out to Ocherias. Yeah, so that's basically it for now. It's very hot. I'm sweating like a cow. I am sweating like a cow. But yeah, that's what's happening. Hey guys, so I just got into Ocherias. I didn't get to record on my way down because I was so tired and I fell asleep. So we just got in. Right now we're at Scotches. I'm gonna do a short film and show you guys what's going on here. We're gonna get some jerk pork and chicken and stuff like that, and then we're gonna head to our apartment. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys Scotches.
Christina.
On me. Several more. Good. Okay.
As you guys can see, this is the pork pits. Bro, people are just looking at us.
I gotta show you. This is not how they cook it. Like it is. That's what.